Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can never autoplay videos on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. Next tap on accessibility, display and languages. Then you can see the option of data uses, tap on it. Next scroll until you find video autoplay. Then tap on it. After that you can see the option of never, tap on it. So this is how you can never autoplay video on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.